On October 31st, 2023, Santa Fe County Sheriff's Deputy Vallejo witnessed a vehicle engaging in reckless driving within the local Walmart parking lot. Responding to the observed behavior, Deputy Vallejo likely assessed the situation for potential risks to public safety and may have taken appropriate measures, such as issuing warnings or citations to address the reckless driving incident. Enforcement actions in such cases aim to maintain order and ensure the well-being of individuals in the vicinity. A routine traffic stop occurred when an officer pulled over a speeding car to inquire about the driver's excessive speed. Approaching the vehicle, the officer engaged the driver, a young woman, in a series of questions to understand the reason behind her rapid driving.
Don't get out of the car in a traffic stop.
Pardon?
Huh?
Did I pull out wrong or?
Yeah, it's called reckless driving inside of a parking lot. That's why I'm pulling you over.
Okay.
Okay? Do you have your license, registration, and insurance?
Yeah, let me find it. So this is what I got right now. It's from Kansas. I got it because my mom was here. I'm so sorry. It's because I'm not really from here.
Okay.
So.
Where's your license at?
So my license, I'm not gonna lie, I lost my wallet.
Okay.
So, but I can give you.
Throughout the investigation, the female driver obstinately refused to provide any information about herself, causing delays in the process. Unbeknownst to her, the officers were experienced and well-versed in handling such situations. Despite her attempts to withhold details, the officers maintained control of the situation, using their expertise to navigate through the encounter and ascertain the necessary information for a proper resolution.
She just turned 21 too.
Yeah.
But now I'm over here driving this way, and she freaking hauling ass through here.
Yeah.
Freaking, now you're supposed to stop there, blows it, hits the brakes.
Just hang out over there for us. Yeah, right there. Hang out right there.
And
Yeah, right there.
There's
Right
freaking
in front of the car.
in front of my car. In front of my car, right.
Yeah, right there.
Right there. Cool. But there's freaking people in the crosswalk. She like,
Yeah.
and then she goes again.
Have you already hit builds and everything yet or no?
Not yet. I'm about to do them. So.
The driver, lacking a valid license, violated the law when pulled over by an officer. Refusing to show the license heightened the offense. Without proper documentation, she assumed responsibility for any consequences arising from driving without a license.
I don't do it, I'm going to jail.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go ahead and begin. Wrong.
Right,
Miss first step.
Let's go, right?
Miss second step. Miss third
2,
step.
4,
Miss fourth step.
5,
Miss
6,
fifth step.
7,
Sixth step.
8,
Hits
9,
ninth
10.
step. Took 10 steps.
How many more I gotta go?
It's 9.
9, that was 10. What do you mean? 11.
11 steps. 12 steps. 13 steps. Miss 14 step.
Look,
Improper
you want
turn.
to go back?
Yep.
Hold on.
Improper turn.
No, Max.
The traffic stop was initiated, and the female driver admitted to having consumed her first legal drink since turning 21. This disclosure could have explained her behavior during the stop. The acknowledgement of her legal drinking age may have provided context for any unusual actions, highlighting the importance of open communication during such encounters to foster understanding between drivers and law enforcement.
Try so hard, I'll wobble like twice, right?
Yeah, just twice. That's okay. Yeah.
It's the coldness.
I got you.
With that.
Okay. So do me a favor, okay? No, we're good. We're good. Test is over.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no,
2,
test is over, okay? You don't have to do a second one.
4.
All right, hold up. Back up.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good. I don't need a second test. Okay, on that one. Okay,
Oh,
put your
shit.
feet together.
Yes,
Heels
sir.
to heels, toes to toes. Arms at your side, okay? Stay in this
sir.
position. Do not begin the test until I
You're
tell you to
good.
begin. Do you understand
Sure.
that? I'm going to
Yes, sir.
demonstrate it, and then I'm going to ask
Keep
you.
going.
You understand it? Okay,
Yes, sir.
cool. Now, when I tell you to begin this test, okay? You're gonna pick whichever leg you want, your right or your left, okay? You're gonna pick it up approximately 6 inches from the ground. You're gonna, hold on, don't start. Okay? You're gonna pick it up 6 inches from the ground and you're gonna point your toe, okay? So it's parallel to the ground. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you're gonna look down at your toe. You're gonna count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on until I tell you to stop, okay? Do not put your foot on the ground during the test, okay?
Okay.
All right, do you understand that, what I explained to you?
No, not really.
Okay, hold on. Okay, before you start, okay, before you start,
Okay.
okay, listen to me very carefully, okay?
Yes,
When
sir.
I tell you to start, do not start yet. You're gonna pick your foot 6 inches from the ground, whichever one you want.
Okay, left
You're gonna,
or right?
yeah, whichever one you want. You're gonna point your toe.
On the road, the officer closely observed the driver's eyes and conducted various sobriety tests to assess potential intoxication. Additionally, the unmistakable scent of alcohol in her breath raised further concerns. Despite these indicators, the female driver remained unwilling to acknowledge any intoxication. The officer's thorough evaluation aimed to ensure an accurate assessment of her condition before proceeding with necessary actions.
Then cool. Then 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Cool.
Awesome. All right, cool.
Or no.
No, you're good.
Yeah.
So do me a favor, walk over right here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right here. Awesome.
At the
Okay.
end of one?
Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
So now one more test, okay?
Yeah.
Put your feet together.
Yeah, cool. Tell me.
Arms out like an airplane, and turn around for me. Just turn around. Stay right there. Okay, you're under arrest for DUI, okay?
Yes, sir. How is it not a straight line? What do you mean?
You have your key, big dog?
Yep.
Thank you.
What did I do wrong?
Hold on, don't move. Based on what I'm observing, based on the driving I saw before I pulled you over, okay, you cannot operate a motor vehicle, okay? You've had a little bit too much to drink.
No, sir, I did not.
Okay, so here's that back.
I promise.
The officer instructed the female driver to undergo field sobriety tests, FSTs, which typically include tasks like walking in a straight line, standing on one leg, and following an object with the eyes. These tests assess coordination, balance, and cognitive functions to determine if the person is impaired. The driver's performance led to her subsequent arrest, as the FSTs provided evidence of potential intoxication, contributing to the officer's decision to take legal action.
Smoke a cigarette, please.
Well, behave and I'll let you smoke a
for
cigarette.
real, like,
Get your
I
feet
wish
inside. Behave and I'll let you smoke a cigarette before you go to jail.
You put that?
I put that. Now you don't behave, you ain't gonna get no damn cigarette. So put your feet in.
I put that. I'm gonna take your ass to court and you better be there. Look, no, lock my doors. Why is he looking through my car? I don't have, no, I want to see the search warrant. Turn that bitch around. Put it around. No, I want the search warrant. Pull around. Okay, that bitch is gonna be in court. I put that. Cool. That bitch is gonna be in court. I put that. You never told me you were gonna search my car. There you go. Your ass is gonna lose this court charge regardless. Watch. Stogie, no stogie, bro. You're a shitty ass cop, bro. Shitty ass cop.
I'm sorry for that.
Oh, you're so sorry. You're so sorry. I bet you are, bro.
Upon witnessing her vehicle being inventoried in preparation for towing from the parking lot, the female driver became extremely obnoxious and outraged. This reaction could be attributed to frustration or a sense of violation. The emotional response further complicated the situation. At the sheriff's station, the female driver consented to an individual breath test, EBT, revealing a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of 0.17%. This result, exceeding the legal limit, substantiated the suspicion of intoxication and played a pivotal role in legal proceedings related to the incident.
Blow into the tip of this like you're blowing up a balloon. Nice, long, steady breath till I tell you to stop. Okay, stop. It's going to go through some self-calibration checks, and then you'll do that one more time.
Does that help my charges or no?
It doesn't really affect them one way or the other. Like I said, you could be charged with aggravated DWI for refusing to submit to a dip breath test.
But I didn't refuse. I obviously took
I
the
know.
bitch.
I'm telling you, that's what I'm telling you, is that the fact that you submitted to it, that changes things.
I have never been in trouble.
0.17.
What if I come under the influence?
Under the legal limit,
Yeah.
then we'll deal with that. But if
As the realization of imminent arrest for DUI set in, the female driver turned verbally abusive towards the deputy, laying blame on him for the situation. Such emotional outbursts are common when individuals grapple with the consequences of their actions. The deputy, maintaining professionalism, likely recognized the need for de-escalation and continued to follow established protocols while ensuring a safe and secure processing of the arrest.
It's illegal.
I was going home. I had 2
That
beers
doesn't
at
matter.
the bar, bro.
That doesn't
If
matter.
it's illegal, then they should be serving beers at the bar. Simple. Simple. 2 beers at the bar. My first legal drinks, and you pulled me over, bro. First time I ever legally had a drink, and you pulled me over. Where's my cigarette?
You get it before you go to jail.
But you keep telling me that.
Are we at the jail? No, we're not at the jail. You'll get it before you go to the damn jail.
I wish you would go to jail, bro, and see how you like it.
But you do, sorry.
But you won't. Stuck in the fucking
I used
judge's
to work at a
dick while you're at
prison,
it, bro.
so
Super knee pads, bro. Special knee pads. You guys got them. No wonder y'all ain't jail. You guys run stop signs, red signs all the time, bro. Do you guys go to jail? No. Everybody else does, though. No, just wait till I go to court.
This is your case number for the one.
Just
so
wait.
Whenever you get to it.
cool. Thank you.
I'll be sure.
She faced charges of aggravated DUI, compounded by having an open container of alcohol and driving without a license. This combination of offenses significantly escalated the legal consequences she might encounter. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To stay updated on our future videos, click on the notification bell icon after subscribing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.